Hey everyone, it's Pro here, and welcome to the next RPG Maker tutorial. This one will be covering mining, like mining and wood cutting, actually. You can see it's kind of an empty field. I might as well actually just go ahead and add a little chest here. I forgot to do that. Weapon. I'll explain what I did here in a second. Stone axe. Now, before we get started, go into your database and go to terms, and over here in terms, click change maximum and set it to 11, and then right here name it pickaxe. Now what you want to do is go to actor, and you'll see I have these two things here. On whatever actor that you want capable of equipping these, make sure you just click here, go to equip weapon, and make sure you select axe and pickaxe. Make sure they're selected for each character that you want able to be equipping with the pickaxe. Now, I went ahead and I created one, but I didn't create the rest, but we'll do that in a second. In the weapons, you have stone pickaxe, copper pickaxe. These are all what I've created. You can create them. I'm pretty sure you know how to create items. Just use the icon. You can select stuff. Alright, so that's stone pickaxe, copper pickaxe, steel pickaxe, crystal pickaxe, and obsidian pickaxe. Now, I wonder if you can actually do something. No, okay. I was wondering if you could actually like do something, but you can't, which is fine. It's okay. All right. So the stone axe, I don't even know why I created more down here. You're only really gonna need one axe, because unless you have some kind of like strange obsidian trees or something. Weapon type is, make sure you have it pickaxe for the one you created, the weapon type. Price, you can make it cost if you want. Hit physical animation if you can set parameters if you want, but I'm not really going to be doing that. Now what we want to do is, right here I have 5 treasure chests that contain each pickaxe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create, actually go back in here, we're going to create a common event it'll basically, depending on what the character is has equipped, it'll change a variable. Like, it's kind of hard to explain. Basically, it'll change a variable around to determine if you have something or greater equipped. This is kind of needed in case you equip an obsidian pickaxe and try to mine a basic stone. Long story with that, but everything we're doing is actually needed. So, why do you always tell me this? Right. So, let's go ahead and do this. So, name the common event. Check. Trigger none. Yeah, none. Or you can have it parallel, which means it'll always run, but we're just gonna have it check it. And this is actually a good tutorial on how to use common events too. Alright, so let's what was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. Oh yeah, conditional branch. I'm sorry, I'm losing train of thought now. Actor weapon is equipped. Stone pickaxe. Set handling. Make sure it's checked. The actor with the whoever you want to have with the axe, and if you want to have them all, you're gonna have to do this multiple times. I think. Actually, you know what you could do? No, I don't think that would work. Alright, so if that, now we're going to make a variable. Obviously, you're going to want to select an empty space and just name it. Name it pick. Name this one pick. You're not going to have to do this for the actual axe. Set it to 1. Else, okay, right here, right click and click copy. Now else, press paste or Control V. Control C is copy, Control V is paste. Conditional branch, stone pickaxe. Edit this by pressing space when you have it selected. Copper pickaxe, or not steel, is equals. I'll set it to 2. Copy and else inside of this one. Or I think that's how you do it. Oh, we'll see in a second. Basically, just repeat this process until you got all 5 of them. 3. Copy, paste. Crystal. Set it to 4. Else. Set up obsidian. Equip. Set it to 5. This will help us determine if the pickaxe is strong enough or above to mine it out. Now, to test this, because I really don't know how this is going to work, click OK. And, well, for now, we're just going to leave that. And, oh, I am all unorganized, aren't I? So, anyways, on the next one, name it pick action. This will actually, like, okay, this executes the mining action. So on tab 2, do play SE. We're gonna do, I think it was break. Yeah, it was break. Oh, to not crash. I don't know why I'm looking in the C's. Break is up here. Yeah, all the way high pitch break. Wait for 30 frames, and then select these 2 things, copy and paste them up to 3 times. And that's all you have to do. We're gonna do the item part through this. So double click, make an event, change it. I'm on the dungeon tile set, so it's gonna be in tile B for me, but. Yeah, they might be different if you're using a different tile set, but here's going to be the basic stone. Name it basic. Or not base sock. Basic. Make sure it says same as characters. Now, go to tab 1, do call common event. Check. Alright. Now, actually, there's something we need to do. We need to reset the variable. That way, at the very end, to reset it. Oh, no, we got to do that in this. That way, you can't unequip it and still be able to do this. So, call common event check. And now, we're going to conditional branch. If variable pick is equal to 1, because this is just a basic thing, then call common event, pick action. Then underneath that, do change items, which you can make your own ore. I'm sure you know how to make items by now. You can make different ores. Right now, here's iron ore that we're going to be getting from the stone. Else, say you need a pickaxe. Now, underneath the change items, what we're going to do is Control Cell Switch A. New page, Cell Switch A is on. Go to... Oops, I didn't want to do that. I'm looking. I don't know why. I was just... select this. So it looks like it's actually mined. So let's save that and test it out. Actually, did we actually? Okay, we did. Let's test this out. So let's try to mine it. Hey, you need a pickaxe. So let's get, what is this? Stone pickaxe. Let's try. Let's see. Now, equip the stone pickaxe. And it mines it. And you got iron ore. So now, if I have another pickaxe equipped, say the steel pickaxe, will it do the same? That's what we gotta find out. Now, see, this part is kind of easy to change, because we don't even really need all these else statements. So, let's do this. So, just right-click and click Cut on this one. One by one, just kind of separate them from each other, like I'm doing here. Just copy and paste or cut and paste. And again, you don't need the else statement, so you can actually remove those if you want to. Again, we still haven't reset the variable. Oh, you know what? I know exactly why I did that. Is greater than or equal to 1. And then we can... Let's try that. Steel pickaxe. Yep. There we go. Alright. Oops. Watch. Alright, so let's copy these. And kind of paste them about. Having 3 of those. Save that. Now, copy and paste it again, but this time we're going to change it. This is going to be... I guess this would give us copper. Let's finish making these items, actually. Iron ore, copy and paste. Where's the icons? Oh, they're right here. Copper, I guess you can be yellow. You can make gold if you want. You can do anything you really want to, but I'm just kind of... No. See how I have the price set for 50? This is because when you sell it, it'll be worth 25. This time we're gonna have it worth... We're gonna have it worth 50, actually. 25.50, and then name this copper. Cooper. Actually, you know what? Name this one copper. And this one iron. That way, instead, we just get... copper first, and then iron, because that would make more sense. So you change the icons. Simple enough. Copy and paste. What else are there? Steel. Steel, let's have it worth... How much? 100. Don't worry about the whole consume thing. As long as you have it set to scope, none, item type, normal, and occasion, never, you can't use it. But you can sell it still. So, crystal ore, if that makes any sense. And if you hear anybody in the background, I'm sorry, I can't do anything. Crystal, let's start here. And now, the 5th one's going to be wood. But anyways, crystal ore, now we're going to make obsidian. I probably spelled that horribly wrong, but, you know. Obsidian ore, purple. Alright. Actually, you know what? Crystal can be blue. I didn't even see the blue. Alright, so click here. And then wood. None. Occasion. Never. Price. It's worth 5. Now we actually got to find like some kind of wood icon. What looks like wood? I'm probably passing this right up. So, well then, all right. Our wood is a block of cheese. Then I guess no. I actually want to make this look a little bit better. Can you like not yell, please? You know what? I am so sorry for this. This is like unprofessional, I know, but you know what? Let's just make this wood. Obtained from trees. Basic enough. See, again, like, I'm sorry, you know, it's just people that apparently want to be douchebags and, like, not even care. Like, I even mentioned that I was recording this time, but whatever. Anyways, it's fine. So, you know what? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Just a little, words of encouragement to people. And the yelling continues. Whatever. I don't care. Now, change this to iron ore. But then, see how it says is greater than or equal to 1? This time, just say greater than or equal to 2. And that's all you need to do. Just that little bit right there would mean if you have the... no, we're going to change this text, actually. You need a stronger pickaxe. Now, let's test this out. That is a ton of rocks. We need to change a few things, which is going to be easy to change. Okay, you know what? So with the stone pickaxe, which is a basic pickaxe, you need a stronger pickaxe. This one, however, you get mine. Now, equipment, copper pickaxe. Alright, so it looks like we're doing it. It works. But is it giving us the minerals? Yes, it is. So, that's our basic mining thing. I guess I'll actually, you know, we need to mine something. Just okay. Right click and click insert. Now, conditional branch variable pick is less than or equal to. Wait, if it's equal to 0. Cut this and put it underneath else, and then have another text that says you need a pickaxe. This way, if you don't have a pickaxe, it'll tell you you need one. Oh, you know what else we forgot to do was reset the variable. So control variables, pick, set 0. Right underneath cell switch A. Copy this and just replace these rocks with it. With the new one. That way they all have the same thing. Copy this little thing right here and paste it underneath this one too. So now you have like So you need a stronger pickaxe. What? You're supposed to be telling me we need a strong Oh dang, I kinda messed up. I copied and pasted the wrong one. Conditional branch. Variable pick is equal to 0. Again, just repeat this. I'm sorry, guys, for messing that up. You need a pickaxe. Oops. It's kind of hard to, like, you know, when you have, like, people in the background knowing that you're recording and, like, just continuously being loud just to troll you. It kind of makes it hard to focus. Okay, that should work right there. Let's copy this one. What's this one? That was the right one, right? Yeah. And, well, it should work. Again, like, if you want to increase it, you just simply need to change the graphic to, say, I don't know what the other one was. Steel. Yeah, it was steel. This right here, I guess, could be used for the steel one. Pick is greater than or equal to 3. it gives you the next ore, which we have not selected. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. We made it. I'm sorry, I forgot we made it. Steel ore. Pick equals 0. Now, for the next one, it should be crystal. Again, like, you know, people troll. That's fine. But it's fine. It's all good. It's all good. If you can't hear them, I'm glad. But if you can hear them, I'm sorry. Pick is greater than or equal to 4.
You almost had lice.
No, I know you heard that. And trolling... Whatever. Whatever. Doesn't matter. See, I'm frustrated now. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, greater than or equal to 4. Crystal ore. Add 1. And then copy this. Change it to... Oh, but you know what? We need to change the icon for that too. This right here. That is so annoying. But whatever. Greater than or equal to 5. Change obsidian. Now, over here, for the obsidian, we're going to have it look different. We're going to have it like that. And I should have done that for these two, but I forgot. Just change the graphic. Now, just replace this one too. You can make fire rock if you want. You can have all kinds of stuff. Change, yeah, that, and over here, change to that. And this is actually fine, because it's going to look the same as this, obviously. Right. Alright, so we're done with the mining. Let's get that one more test. You need a pickaxe. You need a pick. Oh! Okay, yeah, okay, good. It's like that. It's still like that. I wasn't sure if it kept the whole conditional branch thing. So let's get all our pickaxes and test this out. So, equipment, stone pickaxe. You obviously can't mine. You need a stronger one. The only one you can mine is these. And that's to get other things, like other pickaxes. Equipment, let's just go ahead and get the strongest one so we can finish obsidian. You can mine out all kinds of stuff, see? And it actually gives you all the materials. I think this is kind of cool. Yep, we got all the ores. Now let's move on to the wood cutting. Now, what you're going to want to do for this is it's going to be a little bit different. Say you have the trees here, but you don't want to make them out of this. You want to make them out of events. So it's a lot easier than you think, though. So let's have a tree here. On tile set, yeah, tile set B. Have this one right here. Name it tree 1 bottom. Bottom. Tree 1 bottom, whatever. And then you do cell switch A is on. Always make this. So back on this tab, you want to do conditional branch. Actor, weapon. Where is it? Stone axe is equipped. You want to have an else. You need an axe. Now you want to in here you just want to say, just do chopping noises, I guess, like you did originally. But this, well, instead of mining noises, I'm sorry guys, I'm really distracted by the background noise. Yes, best wood chopping sound ever. Oh my gosh. There we go. We'll do that. We'll do that. That sound, the same basic thing, you just wait 30 frames, copy and paste these 3 times, and then cell switch, what is it? Cell switch A, yeah. Cell switch A is on, and over here, what you actually want to do, click OK. You want to make the top layer now. Now you want to do, where is it? Set here, that's right. I remember now. Anyways, you want to have the top. Same as characters, name it tree1 top. You can just name it something where you know like what the name of it is. Set this for above characters, actually, I'm sorry. And set this one for same as. That way you can't like walk through it. So now cell switch A is on. You want to do actually you don't even need that like that. Actually, instead of cell switch, you might need to do a switch for like every single tree. So like unless you want to have like your entire game based on the trees, like being able to be chopped, well, good luck. You will be using a megaton of switches. So tree 1 is on, and instead of cell switch A, do switch tree 1 is on. And over here, switch tree 1 is on. Now copy and paste this to make as many choppable trees as you want. Name this obviously tree 2. Switch tree 2 is on. I'm probably doing this like a lot harder, but again, this is like off the top of my head. I changed this tree 2, and I forgot to add the item. Change items. Wood, increase by 1. Make that above the control switches. Copy that actually, and you know what? Instead of having it just vanish, let's have it become like become a stump or something. Come on, I know there's a more fresh stump than that, isn't there? Is that like the only stump? I mean, it's not gonna have like grass on it like the very instant it gets chopped, or not grass, but algae, whatever you want to call it. There it is. Have it the same as character so you can't like walk through it. Now just do the same for this. Oops. Now tree 1. So let's give this a test by here. No, set player. There we go. Oh. What? Yeah, stone axe. Oh, I forgot to set the item type. That's fine. So I gotta go back to weapons. Stone axe. Weapon type. Let's make it an axe. Let's try this again. I forgot to. Okay, but it works. You know, I forgot to change tree 1 to tree 2. But that's how you would do that, and you would just constantly increase. And actually, it needs to be 2. But yeah, that's basically how it's done. So let's save. Let's try this one more time. Then I'm gonna make the intro video, which is basically me just playing through it. See, you need a pickaxe. You need an axe, not an axe. If you want, you can add text saying you got wood. Alright, so that works. I'm just gonna make a little teleport thing. If you guys want to stop here, you can, because this is just gonna be the part for the intro video. So I might as well go ahead and say it. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps. And despite that this episode had like people in the background who knew I was recording and still wanted to continue rambling and yelling. Anyways, just to troll me. Despite that, everything went well. So thanks guys for watching, and see you guys next time.